Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell, and make sure you share this video and give it a thumbs up. Now in today's strategy, what I'm going to be showing you guys is a very strong and powerful strategy for mobile users which you can use to make uh, profit in the market, that means in the forex market. Now this strategy works including on currency pair and synthetic indices. So you can use it on any of these pairs so that you leverage on it and make money for yourself. Before I show you the strategy, let me show you a current trade I'm running on Crash 300. If you go and check my Millionaire strategy as at 3 days ago or 4 days back, where I was explaining that Crash 300 is going to be dropping very soon, and that movement has already started. So throughout this week, probably from now till maybe end of this week or so, Crash is going to be dropping. Crash 300 is going to be dropping. So if you understand how to trade it very well, you can leverage on it and make huge profit from it. You can leverage huge profit on it. So coming to this strategy, let me show you the setup. Then also show you how you can use it to take buy and sell. How you can use it to take the buy and sell uh, orders. Now when you click on this icon here, it will take you to where you'll be able to bring out the indicators and insert them on the chart. Now you can see that we only have two indicators, just two indicators, two indicators. Now the first indicator is the parabolic SAS. So in the parabolic SAS, you are going to change it to the step should be 0.02 and the maximum should be 0.02 as well. You can use any color of your choice. There's no level, then you click save. After that, the second indicator is the stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator. When you click on it, here are the parameters. Here are the parameters for this very strategy. Now, sorry, the K period should be 98, the D period should be 90, the slowing should be 2. This strategy, I think I used it 2 years back, and in my former channel, I also shared it with them. So I was going across where I wrote those strategies for mobile. So this strategy works very well, very well, very well. So please make sure you practice it. And some of you are asking, why am I posting strategy every day? Now the reason is that many of you uh, might find it difficult to understand particular one. So we are giving you variety so that only one you prefer and you see is working perfectly for you, or you understand more better, you can decide to be using that one. That is why we are posting different strategy every single day on our channels, so that anyone you prefer, most especially for those of you who are using mobile, anyone you prefer that you know that you seems to understand it more better, then you can go with that particular strategy. Then you leverage on it. The slowing period is the slowing to price field close. This one should be exponential. Sorry, method should be exponential. Then use any color of your choice. Then we have level. We have level 80 for sell. Level 50, you can take your first order. Then if you cross, you continue with the trend. While level 20 is for buy. So we click save, and exactly your chart will look like this. Your chart will look exactly like what you have here. How do you take your buy? Or sorry, let's start with the sell. The first thing first is we want to see price. We want to see price. Now our oscillator, that's the window one. We want to see this blue line cross below the red line. Then when it crosses, you won't take trade immediately. You won't take trade immediately it cross. So what you do is you wait Now you only take trade when price break below the parabolic SARS. So immediately price break below the parabolic SARS, then you take your sell order. Is that clear? Immediately price break below the parabolic SARS, you go with your sell order. Is that clear, guys? So then you hold. You can decide to take your profit when price approaches level 50, or probably you wait uh, for price to go down. You know, I told you that in mobile strategy, that's why I keep saying it clearly and stating it proper every time, that in mobile strategy, all you guys do is you scalp the market. You only scalp the market. So if you really want to earn money, then you go for something more advanced. And again, don't be deceived. If you are a new person or you are a new trader, you are just new into the trading platform, forget what you are watching on YouTube. Most of those guys telling you how they make money on YouTube are using laptop. So you can't compare you who just started with a mobile phone and somebody who is using a laptop. That is why when they give you courses to buy, when you buy them telling you no problem, when you go through it, you can't easily understand it. So any strategy you see here on the YouTube channel, as a beginner, you are already using it for scalp. Then if you are somebody who have been trading for a long time, then you can just pick some of the relevant one, add it to your strategy and see the outcome. If it's more okay, then you just filter it. But if you really want to make money in this market, if you really want to make, and I want to be very honest with you, my millionaire strategy, either you have laptop, you don't have laptop, you can use it. I have put so many sorry, I've explained it, go and check it. I have explained it to details how you can use it. And as time goes on, I'll be giving updates on trades. I'll do the analysis, tell you how where price is going to go, then so that you can go and do your back check. Is that clear? That aside, if you have a laptop, you can use it. If you don't have a laptop, you can use it. The difference is that you that doesn't have a laptop, you need what we call VPS subscription. That means you're going to subscribe for VPS, and when you subscribe for that VPS, the interface looks like exactly like laptop. So you'll be able to install those software on that VPS, then you take the signals from there. I'm not selling any course. You don't need to read. One or two videos is enough to tell you how simple it is. Because the whole trick, all these things those guys are writing in their what is it called in their courses, majority of them you don't even understand them. So I won't bore you with all those terms. It is straight to the point. And if you are from my channel, I'm giving 50% discount. So let's continue with the strategy. So as it is now, this is how you take your sell. Let's go for an opportunity for buy. This, I told you it works for every pair. It works for every pair. Now, in this case, watch what's happened here for buy. For buy setup, we want to see a scenario like this. We want to see a scenario like this. We want to see this blue line crossing the red line above level 20. It should be let the red line be around level 20. Yes, there is a reason, because sometimes if it's around that 50 level, price may get there and spike. So watch it around level 20, level 20. So when it crosses around that level 20, then immediately it closes above the what's it called? It closes above the parabolic SARS. Then you open your buy order, then you put the stop loss below the parabolic SARS, because the parabolic SARS will be acting as support when you take your buy, and it will be acting as resistance for your sell order. When you take your buy, put the stop loss below, then when you take for your sell, you put the stop loss above the parabolic SARS, just like what you see here now. In this case, the price has gone very far. So I'm going to post the millionaire strategy. I'm going to make a video on this crash 300. So after watching this video, watch out for millionaire strategy part 3. So in that video, I'm going to explain how come this crash 300 going back. But if you check the previous video, I've explained and I told you guys that crash 100 is going to sell at a particular zone, and as I'm talking to you now, price is at that zone already. So crash 100 is going to be spiking all the way down throughout this week. The next week, crash 100 is going to be doing more of the selling than buying. So that is how this strategy works. Let's check out on boom. For those of you who love to trade boom, boom 1000. Now look at what I was saying earlier on. Look at how you'll have catch this spike. You'll have got this spike. Immediately price crossed above here. Immediately it crossed above. Eh? Above level 20 and it crossed the red line. You will notice that if you should trace it, it was this. So if you had opened your buy to catch boom 300 boom 1000, you will have catch this spike multiple times. You will have catching this spike all the way up. Can you see, guys? You will have catching that spike all the way up. You just put your stop loss below, or probably if you don't have enough equity, you can use a candle or two as exit. Is that clear? But let's talk about the default settings for boom 300 boom 1000. Now look at for default settings, see what will have happened. Immediately price crossed above here where you have this. You know what we'll be waiting for now is for price to close below our parabolic SARS. So if price have closed our parabolic SARS, I told you to put your stop loss at the top. That means you should put your stop loss at the top so that you don't get spiked out. You notice what later happened? Price have to sell all the way down. All the way down. So please, you can use this strategy both on Forex and on deriv, because I'm explaining it right on deriv now. Today's weekend, so the Forex market is not moving. So you can see it. And don't forget that when you are using any of the mobile strategy, you are scalping. So when you make profit, reasonable profit, exit the market so that you don't in return give them back. Is that clear? So please, if you have watched this video up to this time and you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and put on your notification bell. Share so that others will also benefit from this. And don't forget, the mobile strategy and the millionaire strategy is still available. That is the only solution. Before this year end, you can make huge money with it. Huge money. In the next video, watch out for the millionaire strategy part 3, where I'll be explaining what happened on crash 300. I've explained initially. I will explain what happened on crash 300 and give you other information for those of you who are newly joining the platform, my channel. Thanks, and then have a nice day, guys.